The Grumble Family by Lucy Maud Montgomery. There is a family nobody likes to meet. They live, it is said, on Complaining Street, in the city of Never or Satisfied, the river of discontent beside. First stanza explains that there is a family where nobody likes to meet them. They live on Complaining Street and in the city of Never Satisfied, and they lives besides the river of dissatisfaction. They growl at that and they growl at this. Whatever comes, there is something amiss. And whether their station be high or humble, they are all known by the name of Grumble. Second stanza explains that the Grumble family always bark at someone. Whatever comes, there will be something that is not quite right, and whether their position may be high or low, they are all known by the name of Grumble. The weather is always too hot or cold. Summer and winter alike they scold. Nothing goes right with the folks you meet down on that gloomy, complaining street. These Grumble family members are too extreme. All of their comments are negative and critical, and their focus is only on the bad. If they see the sun shining, they will complain that it is too hot. If they see the snow is falling, they will complain that it is too cold. Everything goes wrong with the folks you meet down on that gloomy, complaining street. They growl at the rain and they growl at the sun. In fact, their growling is never done. And if everything pleased them, there isn't a doubt they would growl that they would nothing to grumble about. Their first instinct is to find something to complain and murmur. They shout at the rain and they shout at the sun. They never finish their growling, and if everything is normal and pleased, they growl and say that there is nothing to grumble about. But the curious thing is that not one of the same can be brought to acknowledge his family name, for never a grumbler will own that he is connected with it at all, you see. The most unusual thing is that not one of the same can be brought to accept his family name. At no time a complainer will own that he is connected with it. The worst thing is that if anyone stays among them too long, he will learn their ways, and before he dreams of the terrible jumble, he is adopted into family of Grumble. The worst thing is that if anyone stays along with Grumble family for too long, he will learn their ways, and before he dreams of the awful confusion, he is acquired into the family of Grumble. And so it were wisest to keep our feet from wandering into Complaining Street, and never to growl whatever we do, lest we be mistaken for grumblers too. It will be wisest to keep our feet step away from wandering into Complaining Street, where the Grumble family stays, and never to growl whatever we do, just in case we will be mistaken for grumblers too. Let us learn to walk with a smile and a song, no matter if things do sometimes go wrong. And then be our station high or humble, we will never belong to the family of Grumble. Let us learn to walk with smile and song. Do not worry if something goes wrong, and then be our station high or low, we will never belong to that Grumble family.